Easy, simple, delicious chicken rice porridge. ខ្ញី1កូនមើម small piece of ginger, 1/2 of salted preserved daikon, ឆៃពៅខ្ញុំ5កណាត់ Okay, this is a 6-quart pot. Just add it in and stove top. វាក្រៀមបន្តិច Just 1/2 of bone-in chicken breast and chicken neck bone. Throw it in there. Some garlic, 2 tablespoons chicken bouillon powder, ម្សៅស៊ុបមាន់2ស្លាបព្រាបាយ a little bit of pepper, ម្រេចបន្តិច 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, ទឹកត្រី2ស្លាបព្រាបាយ a little bit of sugar, ស្ករសបន្តិច a little bit of salt, អំបិលបន្តិច and a little bit of MSG, ប៊ីចេងបន្តិច Okay, pour it all in there. Okay, let it cook until meat is nice and tender. 1 cup of jasmine rice. ខ្ញុំប្រើអង្ករ1 cup. A little bit of cooking oil, garlic. យើងលីងអង្ករហ្នឹងឲ្យរាងឆ្អិនបន្តិចមក Cook for about a minute or so. Okay, time to remove chicken. អង្ករយើងឆាមុនហ្នឹងយើងដាក់ចូលមក Debone the chicken and then just cut into small pieces. Put the chicken back in there. សាច់មាន់ហ្នឹងយើងបង់ចូលមកវិញមកណា It is so flavorful. ជាតិនោះជាតិដល់ហើយបងប្អូន Rice is nice and done. I'm going to add about a dozen shrimp. ខ្ញុំដាក់បកាប្រហែលជា1ឡូបងប្អូនឃើញទេបកាយើងដាក់តែមួយផ្លែទៅវាឆ្អិនហើយកុំដាក់យូរ ខ្ទឹម ginger, cilantro, some green onion. Nothing too crazy. So comforting, so delicious. Cheers!